Congratulations, everyone. You made it to the end of the WooCommerce Conditional Content course. Give yourself a pat on the back or a high five to your screen. You've earned it. We've covered a lot, from creating custom content blocks and mastering complex rules, to strategically placing those messages for maximum impact. Remember, it's about making your store feel alive. Now you can transform those boring, static pages into dynamic customer experiences. Think personalized promotions, helpful alerts, and irresistible offers, all triggered by specific conditions. Forget the generic. Embrace the wow. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these skills wisely. Don't bombard your customers with messages until they run screaming. Clear, concise, and well-placed content is key. A/B test everything. This isn't the end of your journey. It's just the beginning. Experiment, get creative, and see what kind of magic you can work with your WooCommerce store. Don't forget to download the resources and join the community to continue your learning. Your fellow students have great ideas and will answer all your questions. Thanks for joining me. Now go out there and make your WooCommerce store the smartest, most engaging e-commerce experience it can be. Good luck and happy selling.